Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by getting the essentials in place. Sign into a Google account and open Partner Center. Once done, choose EPUB for reflowable text or PDF for fixed layout, export with a clean cover and embedded fonts. Make sure your metadata, title, author, language is correct because Google reads it directly. Then create a new book entry and upload that file. The system validates format immediately, so fix errors shown. This gets you past the first gate and into the publishing workflow quickly. Once your file uploads without errors, continue by defining rights and distribution. Pick territories and whether you hold exclusive rights. Then configure how readers preview, upload sample pages, and set the percentage or page count visible. Next, determine pricing, enter currency, list price, and consider VAT or tax settings. Make sure to toggle DRM if you want copy protection and assign categories and keywords so discovery works. Save frequently, and use the built-in previewer to check layout and links before finalizing. You finish by hitting publish and waiting for Google's processing. This can take hours. After processing, inspect the online preview and your Partner Center dashboard to confirm availability and pricing across regions. If you need changes, edit metadata or upload corrected files and republish. Updates will replace the live edition. If something goes wrong, here's one key tip. Validate your EPUB or re-export your PDF. Common failures come from malformed XML, illegal embedded fonts, or unsupported images.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.